Welcome to my channel. It's Winari. Kindly like, share, subscribe, and share me in your community. Today we are cooking banga soup. Banga soup. Yes, I said it, banga soup. I grew up eating this soup in Nigeria and I loved it so much. And I'm going to show you how we have Canadianized the soup in Canada here. How we make it work when we don't have all the things that we would normally use for our soup. I think Igbo people call it ofe nkwa. Ofe kwa. I don't know how you pronounce it. Ofe aku. That's how we call it. So, ofe aku banga soup. Here we go. First, we'll need the palm fruit extract. That's it. Basically, it's in a can. Look at that soup. It's so yummy. Absolutely yummy. And that's what the paste looks like when it's all in the pot. And the goal is just to stir and stir until it all comes together. I've added some water now at this point, and as you can see, it looks like a real banga, doesn't it? Now, as you can see, look at the oil is coming out. Look at how we're extracting the oil. Look at that. Look at that. I've added the meat here at this point. I added beef. I think I added shaki as well, or tripe if you want to call it tripe. And that's the soup right there. And then I have my grilled fish. Healthy guys. Grilled fish. I'm going to add the grilled fish in there. Yep. Look at that. Look at that. This is the banga spice. I got it from the African store here. It gives you that, that taste of authentic banga soup. I'm added my Maggi cubes here now. I'm added 4 of them. Chili pepper. You could also use fresh pepper too, but I think I ran out of fresh pepper that day. Maybe that's why I was using this. Stir it together. I'm cooking 2 meals at the same time, guys. It's called multitasking. Look at the soup right here. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Now for our ingredients, we're gonna add instant mashed potato. This is to thicken the soup, guys. It's a thickener for the soup. I promise you it works. I put this in my egusi soup, banga soup, and I'm adding crayfish. You can be as generous as you want to be. Now we're adding the stockfish. I think this was my last stockfish, so I think I just put it all in there. I dumped it all in there because that was my last stockfish. Mix it all together. Look at how rich this soup looks. Look at this soup. Do you see the thickness? Do you see that? That is from the mashed potato flakes. Add a little bit of salt. Salt is always the last thing I put in my soup because you want to ensure that because sometimes everything in that soup is enough salt. You don't need anything else. So I always put salt as the last ingredient. Look at that soup. Just look at it. Don't you want to just eat it? And that is the finished product, guys. Let me fix my lighting so you can see the soup in its entirety. Are you seeing this soup? Are you looking at it? Look at the richness and the thickness and the quality of this soup. It is, oh, now imagine adding starch with this soup. Oh my gosh, imagine eating starch with this soup. This is the packed soup for the week. That goes in the fridge. That's for me to enjoy right now. Funny enough, guys, I eat this with starch or I eat it with rice. I don't swallow. I'm not a swallow person, but I will swallow for banga soup, but it has to be starch. Or, if I'm really, really in the mood to swallow, I might do pounded yam, right? But yeah, this is the finished product, guys. That is the banga soup right there. Look at it. Look at the thickness. Just look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at how rich this food is. Doesn't it look like I actually, had fresh banga seeds? But this is actually from a can, guys. This is how we do it in Canada. So thank you for watching. Bye. See you next vlog.